everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Very tasty and delicious Anda Matar curry. It's so tasty and so easy to make. I will show you today how to make Anda peas curry. Sweet peas and egg curry, and let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. 12 ounce sweet peas and 340 grams. These are frozen peas. You can use fresh as well. These are boiled eggs. When to use it, I'll share with you. About 1 inch ginger, 3 garlic cloves, 1 green chili, 1 red onion, tomato sauce. We're going to use a half cup. 2 cup water, cilantro, olive oil for tadka, and spices from masala dabba. And my secret ingredient, which is potato. And these are boiled potatoes. 2 small sized potatoes, and how to use it and when to use it, I will share with you. Eggs are peeled, potatoes are peeled, 1 teaspoon cumin, ginger, garlic, green chili, onion, finely chopped, salt, black pepper, cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon each, half cup tomato sauce, and frozen peas. And let's start making our delicious Anda Matar curry. So let's get started. Start burner. Get a karahi, add olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, add cumin, jeera. Cook for 10 seconds, and this is good. Now we're going to add ginger and garlic. And keep it moving and keep cooking. Cook until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Cook for 20 seconds. Now we're going to add onion. Mix it. And keep cooking until the onions are nicely translucent. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. Now we're going to add green chili. Mix it. Cook green chili along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking green chili with tadka for 1 minute. Now add spices. Mix it well. Cook spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Now we're going to add tomato sauce. Mix it well. And bring your gas to medium. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to cook tomato sauce along with tadka on medium gas for 1 minute. Cooking tomato sauce along with tadka for 1 minute. Now I'm going to get the masher and we're going to mash it. The reason I'm doing it this way, when we're going to have a gravy, it's going to be really nice and smooth and will be creamy with my secret ingredient, which is potato. Once it's nicely mashed, now we're going to add the secret ingredient. Add potato. These are boiled potato and this is my secret ingredient. If you haven't tried it, please try it. Now with the masher, potato masher, just mash it. What's going to happen when we're going to eat the curry? It's smooth and silky. It's going to taste really well. If you haven't tried potato like this, please try it and you're going to like it. You can mash it with potato masher or you can grate it, whatever easier for you. Now we're going to add 2 cups water. And bring your gas on high and we're going to mix it well and we're going to bring the water to boil. Once it's nicely combined, Cover with the lid and bring the water to boil. As you see, the water started to boil. I'll open the lid, mix it. This is what I wanted to show to you. What potato does in a curry. When you make a paste, look at the gravy. This is very rich, thick, creamy gravy. If you don't do it like this, then it will be more water running base. And look at this. You're going to enjoy it really well. This is my secret ingredient, potato. Please try it and you're going to like it. Now we're going to add peas. As I mentioned, these peas are frozen. We're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring your gas to medium, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for exactly 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes cooking on a medium gas. I'll open the lid, mix it. This is a perfect gravy. If you need a running gravy, you always can add it. And this is what happens. Rich and thick gravy. It's not a running water. Please try it this way and you're going to like it. Now bring your gas on a simmer. Now we're going to add egg. Get a fork and at multi places we're going to poke it. Just like this. And place it inside. So we're going to do it 2 eggs like this, and 2 eggs we're going to cut it right in half, just like this, and we're going to place it right on top of the curry. Just be careful, don't cut yourself. And now move around, add some curry on top of it, and cilantro. On simmer, cover with the lid, cook it for 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes on the simmer. I'm going to open the lid. We're going to turn off the gas. Our delicious dish is all ready. I have my serving bowl ready and we're going to dish out. Very delicious, rich, creamy peas anda curry. Look at this, very tasty. If you haven't tried, please try it and you're going to love it. This is one of the best and easiest and simplest anda Matar curry. And let me share with you. As you've seen it, it's so easy to make and it's super delicious. You can serve this as a main course dish. You can serve with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, parantha, and it's perfect with the rice pulao. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.